Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find crypto wire transfer receipt details. So to get started with the step-by-step guide and easy straightforward method on how you can easily find a crypto wire transfer receipt details. So the first thing to do is to open the crypto.com app and log in into your account. So to do this, just launch the app on your mobile, then use your phone or the phone number or your credentials, email, your password, just log into your account. Then tap the account at the bottom of the screen. Then from there, tap on Fiat Wallet under your listed wallet. Then select deposit. So choose the deposit at the top right of the Fiat Wallet section. Then after that, you have to choose your currency. So to do this, tap the currency you want to deposit. For USD, you will see an option like ACH or wire transfer. Then select the wire transfer. So to do this on the top, so tap on wire transfer to view your unique wire instruction. Then copy the wire details. So you will now see your bank name, your account number, your routing number, and your crypto reference code. So copy or screenshot the information. Make sure you write it down or copy it. Then use the details to send a wire from bank. So log in into your external bank and use the wire details exactly as shown to initiate the transfer. And make sure you don't make any mistake. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.